Hey guys, how's it going? As you saw in my last video, if you saw my last video, I blew up my sled. I just want to disassemble it in this video and just diagnose what happened. I'm pretty sure just some rod bearings went out and scarred up some cylinders and whatnot, but I did see a backfire out of the bottom end, so I'm really curious on what happened there, if the rod moved enough or it broke out a chunk. If it did so, I'm hoping I can just re-weld it to the case and it would be a lot simpler. So just take a look here. I just got the carbs off, but down in there, probably need my light. Some metal trunks down there and metal trunks everywhere down there. So something definitely broke. So let's get tearing it out. Okay, so I got quite a bit off of it, and inside the exhaust is pretty white, so I don't know if that would be if it got a little lean possibly, or if it was burning some coolant, but I mean the bottle never really got low, so I'm pretty sure it's user error. I didn't really make it rich enough, but I mean it was the first time I ever drove it since I put the can on, so I was going to pull the plugs after the ride anyways, but apparently I was just a little too late. But I'm going to inspect inside here. It's definitely coming from the Meg side, 100%. And I see part of the piston missing, part of the skirt there. So I think I'm just going to pull the head off quick. Maybe do head and cylinders and see what that shows us. I just wanted to pull it out of the machine because I knew it was going to come out anyways to do all this, and then probably won't ride it again this year or this season. Alright, I got the head off, and this cylinder head actually took that amazing. Like, there's no pits or anything in there. I'm really happy about that. This other side, I mean, let me take out this spark plug quick. I thought it went lean. I'm wondering, because both carbs are set exactly the same, so let me get a little light on the subject. But maybe a hair lean, but that's about a perfect plug right there. Oh, come on. There we go. Hair lean, but I mean you still have that chocolatey brown. This other one is, yeah, you know the story on that cylinder. I mean, it still spins freely. I don't know. Let's yank off the cylinders quick, I guess. I'm betting there's just a lot of filings down there. Guys, the cylinders feel great. Honestly, I know it's not great. Metal just got ran through it. But there is no huge gouges in there. There's some scoring, but there's nothing huge gouged in there. It looks like it's been rebuilt halfway recently as well. I've never touched it. But I mean, the definite cracking with the head gaskets there. It could have been sucking some antifreeze, which is giving that white burn in there. I'm not sure. Well, I'm gonna get these cylinders pulled. Broke the skirt there, clean off. And then I punctured a couple holes in the cases. So it isn't, holes really aren't that bad actually. So should just be aluminum cases, so I'll just probably take it to work and weld it up aluminum. Probably break that one out and then just diagram the inside. So really isn't too bad for carnage. And this is what I'm guessing caused it. Is a piece of old belt in there. I'm betting it took out that seal and it caused to lean out the cylinder. And yeah, the rest is history, I guess. So the crank actually feels alright. I mean, it's probably not. I'll have to slide the piston off and see what happened there, but yeah, look at that piston. All sorts of cracked up. But I need to get a puller coming, and I'll just grab a harmonic balancer puller or something out from work and get the cases split sometime. But yeah, that will be it for this video. And I've always wanted to tear down my snowmobile to like this far and clean it all up, and it's probably not going to get fixed anytime this season, so I might do a sheet metal pan for the bottom of it since the plastic's all ruined. That's why there's corn stalks everywhere. And clean it up, power wash it, just make everything better again. So it really didn't destroy as much as I really thought it was going to, so I'm really happy about that. So this will be it for today, and stay tuned for another update with this. I'm gonna try to find a puller tonight, try to get it ordered, and see if we can't pull this apart. And we pull it apart, really diagnose, see if I need bearings, see if I really don't want to run that rod after a skirt went through it and whatnot, and maybe do a video of me fixing the cases up too. So yeah, stay tuned for those. Please like and subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate it. And let's get that fixed up again. See ya.